Welcome back to Bloom Balanced Life. If you're trying to lose weight but struggling with what to eat for breakfast, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing quick and healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for weight loss. Let's dive in. First up, overnight oats. These are a lifesaver when you're short on time. Mix rolled oats with almond milk, a spoonful of chia seeds, and a dash of cinnamon. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, top it with fresh berries for a fiber-packed, filling breakfast. Next, we've got a veggie omelet. Eggs are a great source of protein, and adding veggies like spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers gives you nutrients without the extra calories. Pair it with a slice of whole grain toast, and you're good to go. For those who love a little crunch, try avocado toast with egg. Spread some mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with a poached or boiled egg. The healthy fats and protein will keep you satisfied for hours. If you have a sweet tooth, a Greek yogurt parfait is perfect. Layer unsweetened Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of granola or nuts. It's delicious, low in calories, and high in protein. Last but not least, a smoothie bowl is a colorful, refreshing option. Blend spinach, frozen berries, a banana, and almond milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with chia seeds, sliced fruit, and a handful of nuts. It's like having dessert for breakfast, but healthy. These breakfasts are not only healthy, but also simple to make and absolutely delicious. Remember, starting your day with the right fuel sets you up for success. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Bloom Balanced Life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.